Hi, Mom.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Are you videotaping? I'm
Yes.
gonna kill you.
Again? Yes, I'm videotaping.
Look at you have two daughters. Whatever. You have both. Honey, throw. Daughter and granddaughter.
Daughter, granddaughter.
1, 2, 3.
And I'm trying to get my granddaughter, but I'm getting a great shot from behind.
Good throw.
Nice throw, honey. Oh, Mimi loves you.
Mommy throw a rock and make a big splash?
Oh yeah.
You do it?
No.
Yeah.
Ah! That came this way. You tried to throw it at Mimi?
Throw it in the water, sweetie.
Yay! Yay!
Oh, good.
Big splash.
That was a big
That was a big one.
That was a big splash.
Baby.
Another big one?
You want another big rock, huh?
That one's gonna be a big. Oh!
Wow!
Good job.
You see that?
Yay!
Yeah.
Baby.
It was really big.
Here, Mommy.
She's talking with her hands.
Here, here's another. Here's one. It's not really that big, but it's. Is it big?
Big. No.
Big doggy. Big doggy.
Yeah, they're going for a walk.
That's right.
Yeah.
You gonna bring baby for a walk? Turn?
Started out with the one down there.
Oh.
We can go for a walk.
No.
Yeah, no, never eat the mushrooms outside.
Bye,
Bye,
mushroom.
mushroom.
Is it Sticky from Pinecone? Sticky, let me see. Sticky. Sticky. Oh, Sticky. Better? Better? Is it better now? Better? Better. Yes. Better. Where are you going? Bye-bye? No. Mommy and Grammy are that way. Yeah. What? Moon, you're right, Elia. It is a moon. Where are you going? This is the main road. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Bye, son. Bye, son. It's time for the moon to come out.
Hi, baby.
Is baby okay? Is the baby okay?
Yeah.
It is okay? It's okay? That's good. 2, 3.